Hello everyone, and welcome back to Conk. Today I'm sharing my tried and true cleaning hacks for those hard-working kitchen appliances. We're talking blenders, air fryers, coffee makers, the whole gang. So let's roll up our sleeves and get these gadgets sparkling clean. Now, we all know the struggle of a blender that's seen one too many smoothies. The sticky residue, the stubborn stains, and the lingering smells can be quite a challenge to tackle. But don't reach for those harsh chemicals just yet. They can be tough on your blender and even leave behind unwanted residues. Let's start by filling your blender halfway with warm water. This helps to loosen up any stuck-on bits and makes the cleaning process much easier. Add a generous squirt of dish soap and a splash of white vinegar. The dish soap cuts through grease while the vinegar helps to disinfect and remove odors. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 seconds. This action creates a powerful cleaning solution that reaches every nook and cranny. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, ensuring all soap and vinegar are washed away. Then, allow it to air dry completely to prevent any moisture buildup. And there you have it, a sparkling clean blender ready for its next culinary adventure. With this simple method, your blender will always be in top shape, ready to whip up your favorite recipes. Air fryers make cooking a breeze, but cleaning them? That's a different story. The convenience of air frying often comes with the hassle of dealing with built-up grease and food residue. Grease tends to build up, especially at the bottom of the basket. This can make your air fryer less efficient and even affect the taste of your food. First, unplug your air fryer and let it cool completely. Safety first. You don't want to burn yourself while cleaning. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the greasy areas. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that helps break down grease and grime. Spray white vinegar over the baking soda and let it sit for about 5 minutes. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar will help lift the grease. Wipe away the grime with a damp microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are great because they trap dirt and are gentle on surfaces. For the basket, soak it in warm soapy water for about 10 minutes. This helps to loosen any stubborn food particles. Then give it a gentle scrub and rinse well. Make sure to dry it thoroughly before reassembling your air fryer. And there you have it, a clean air fryer ready for your next cooking adventure. Let's talk about the microwave. Over time, splatters harden and become difficult to remove. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with 1 cup of water, squeeze the juice from a fresh lemon into the bowl, and drop the lemon halves in as well. Heat on high for about 5 minutes. The steam will loosen stubborn food particles, making them easy to wipe away. Carefully remove the bowl and wipe down the inside of the microwave. You'll be amazed at how easily those stubborn splatters come off. A good cup of coffee is a must-have for many of us. To keep your coffee maker in tip-top shape, a simple cleaning routine is key. Fill the water reservoir with equal parts white vinegar and water. Run this mixture through your coffee maker as if brewing a pot of coffee. Discard the vinegar solution and fill the reservoir with plain water. Run it through a full brewing cycle twice to ensure any lingering vinegar taste is gone. Enjoy a delicious cup every time. Wooden cutting boards are a kitchen staple, but they can absorb odors and harbor bacteria. Start by sprinkling coarse salt all over your cutting board. Take half a lemon and rub it all over the board, working the salt and lemon juice into the surface. Let this sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse the board thoroughly with warm water. Apply a thin layer of coconut oil to the surface to keep it looking its best and prevent drying. Your cutting board is now clean and conditioned. Ah, the toaster. A breakfast essential. Whether you love a crispy slice of toast or a warm bagel, this little appliance is a morning hero. But cleaning out those pesky crumbs can be a real pain. First, unplug your toaster. Safety first, always. Turn your toaster upside down over a trash can or sink and give it a good shake. This helps to get rid of the loose crumbs that accumulate at the bottom. Use a pastry brush or an old toothbrush to gently dislodge any stubborn crumbs. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a bowl. This natural solution is great for cleaning and disinfecting. Dip a microfiber cloth into the mixture and wring out any excess liquid. You want the cloth to be damp, not soaking wet. Wipe down the exterior of your toaster, paying extra attention to any fingerprints or smudges. A clean toaster not only looks good, but also functions better. Stove grates bear the brunt of our cooking splatters and spills. Over time they can accumulate layers of burnt-on grease. Place the grates inside a large Ziploc bag, pour in about 1/4 cup of ammonia, seal the bag tightly and leave it in a well-ventilated area overnight. The ammonia will work wonders on those stubborn grease stains. Rinse the grates thoroughly the next day and they'll look brand new again. Our trusty food processors make quick work of chopping, slicing and dicing. Fill your food processor bowl about halfway with warm water. Add a few drops of dish soap. Secure the lid tightly and run your food processor for about 10 seconds. The soapy water will help dislodge any food particles clinging to the blades and the inside of the bowl. Rinse the bowl and blades thoroughly with warm water. Use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently dislodge any stubborn bits of food around the blades. Our refrigerators work hard to keep our food fresh, but sometimes they need a little freshening up. Combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water. Dip a clean cloth into the baking soda solution and wring out any excess liquid. Wipe down all the shelves, drawers, and walls of your refrigerator. Don't forget to wipe down the door seals as well. Your fridge will smell clean and inviting. Our dishwashers are true kitchen heroes, tackling dirty dishes day in and day out. Over time, food particles and mineral deposits can build up, affecting their performance. Place a dishwasher-safe cup filled with white vinegar on the top rack of your empty dishwasher. Run your dishwasher on a hot water cycle. Once the cycle is complete, sprinkle about a cup of baking soda along the bottom of the dishwasher. Run your dishwasher on a short, hot water cycle. Your dishwasher will be sparkling clean and odor-free. Gap 3S. When it comes to oven racks, they often bear the brunt of our culinary creations, accumulating grease and grime over time. Here's an easy way to get them looking brand new with baking soda and vinegar. First, remove the oven racks and place them in your bathtub. Lay an old towel underneath to prevent scratching. Fill the tub with warm water until the racks are fully submerged. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the racks, followed by pouring white vinegar. The mixture will start to fizz, which is a sign that it's working to break down the grease and grime. Let the racks soak for at least 2 hours, or overnight for tougher stains. After soaking, use a scrub brush or an old toothbrush to scrub away any remaining residue. Rinse the racks thoroughly with warm water and dry them completely before placing them back in your oven. With this simple method, your oven racks will be sparkling clean and ready for your next baking adventure. Gap 3S. Keeping your kitchen sink clean and stain-free can be a challenge, but with a few natural ingredients, it's a breeze. Start by removing any dishes and giving the sink a quick rinse with warm water. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda all over the sink. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that will help lift stains without scratching the surface. Cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub the baking soda into the sink. The acid in the lemon juice helps to break down tough stains and leaves a fresh scent. Pay special attention to any discolored areas or spots with built-up grime. For an extra boost, sprinkle a bit of salt on the lemon before scrubbing. It adds an extra level of abrasiveness for stubborn spots. Once you've scrubbed the entire sink, let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Then, rinse thoroughly with warm water. To disinfect and add shine, you can follow up with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. Simply spray it onto the sink, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe it down with a clean cloth. With these simple steps, your kitchen sink will be sparkling clean and free of stains, ready for whatever you throw its way. Gap 3S. Stainless steel appliances add a modern touch to any kitchen, but keeping them free from fingerprints and streaks can be tricky. Here's how to make them shine like new. First, gather a microfiber cloth and a specialized stainless steel cleaner. It's important to use a microfiber cloth because it's gentle and won't scratch the surface. Start by spraying a small amount of the stainless steel cleaner directly onto the appliance. If you don't have a specialized cleaner, a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar works wonders too. Next, use the microfiber cloth to wipe the cleaner in the direction of the grain of the stainless steel. This helps to avoid streaks and ensures a thorough clean. For stubborn spots or fingerprints, apply a bit more cleaner and use a bit more pressure with the cloth. Once you've wiped all surfaces, use a dry section of the microfiber cloth to buff the stainless steel. This will help to remove any remaining cleaner and give your appliances a brilliant shine. For an extra touch, you can add a few drops of mineral oil to the cloth and buff the surface one more time. This not only adds shine but also creates a protective layer that helps to prevent future fingerprints. With these easy steps, your stainless steel appliances will look as good as new, adding a pristine touch to your kitchen. There you have it, my tried and true cleaning hacks for sparkling clean kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking and happy cleaning.